video. I know it has started a little differently, but I like to change up things a few bit. So let's get into it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys what's inside my backpack. So let's get into it. So here's my backpack, and yeah, there we go. It's not much. I bought it for around 500 shillings, 500 Kenya shillings. That's at about $5 US. And yeah, it's economical, it's good. It has lasted me for about 2 years now. Yeah, I bought it when I was joining college, and now I'm in the second year, and yeah, it's a good bag. I really like it. Yeah, let's see. So we will start with this big one, the big part here. There we go. So what do we find in here? So as you can see, that big pocket holds my laptop. This is a HP 2000 series. It's a little old, but it gets the job done, and that's all I need a laptop for. So for studies and doing my homework, watching YouTube videos, editing videos, and all that good stuff, talking to people, all that basic things. There is no intense functions for this laptop. And yeah, it has a 4 GB RAM, and it also has a new hard drive. I changed it. If you haven't watched I've done a few videos about this. I've reviewed it on this channel, so if you haven't seen it, please go and watch it on my channel. So to move on, the next thing I have on this bag is my earphones. So they are not that fancy. They actually came with this phone that I'm filming on. It's a Technospark 4. Technospark 4, the one that has LTE service, 4G LTE, and they get the work done. So for a student, you don't need a lot like those big fancy things. These get the work done. They don't have noise cancellation or all that stuff, but hey, they work, and that's all that matters. So let's put that aside. And the next thing we find here, it's a USB cable. So this USB cable isn't alone, if I may say so. There is also the head. Here we have it. There we go. So that's both of them. So this is the charger that I use. I always carry a charger. It is like the really important stuff. A charger is really important first of all in college, and earphones, those are some of the most important things in college. And because you will find yourself, you want to charge something and you don't have a charger, and you have to do some homework, you have to stay in communication with people, all that stuff, a charger is really important. So apart from that, the last thing in this part is this one. There we go. Yep, my charger. So as I told you earlier, this is a HP 2000 laptop, and you can see its charger, how it looks like. And I have added this part here. This doesn't come with the laptop. I can remove that. You will see. So as you can see, this is the American plug, but for Kenyan plugs we don't use this one. So yeah, so let me show you the Kenyan plug. So as you can see, this is the Kenyan plug. As you can see the way it looks like, and it cannot work with the American plug, so I had to look for an extension. It's my charger for the laptop. There we go. It's like nothing fancy, guys. It is the one that came with the laptop. I haven't changed anything apart from the one that I've shown you, this pink one. This pink or orange, I don't know. That one, it's just that I have changed, nothing else. So inside the bag, nothing else is really important or something like that. So yeah, there is one last thing that was not in the bag, but I always carry it when I'm going somewhere. Let me show you. So the last thing that is usually in my backpack is this socket. It is a surge protector, by the way. This is a surge protector, as you can see here. It is the safe version because these ones can be switched on and off, so you can regulate the power and all that stuff. So it's a good one. As you can see here, it's not new. I actually have added some paper around here because it had detached completely, and I really had to use it. So yeah, I did the MacGyver thing and improvised, and yeah, it still works right now, and it has no shocks and all that. But it will last me a few years or a few months for that matter, and yeah, it is still working and it's good. It has 4 sockets, so I can charge my laptop, my phone, and maybe a friend can use the other two. I always like to leave one empty. I don't know why, but yeah, I really have to leave one empty because uh, for the I don't know the physics of that, but I always want to leave one free. So this socket, by the way, this surge protector, it is a plug and play. So I really like those ones because this one you will only need to insert things, the whatever you are charging right here, and it will go directly without having to squeeze this part here so that it can fit, and that is a good one. Yeah, I like it because of that functionality. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and that is what is in my backpack. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and we are looking forward to making this channel bigger and bigger, and I'm always looking for projects to do. And thank you guys for watching. Suggest anything you'd want me to do on this channel, and I'll be happy to see if I can make it happen. Thank you guys for watching. Karekajnr signing out.